rays of the dark moon, Zima Cross must go head to head with one of the Caribbean's most powerful beings. Your end has come.
What? 5 cases of sorrel drink where 10 should be? No man, there's a sorrel drink culprit on the loose. This is a good time for call Jamaica.